fine. It's a bump. It's just a bump. It's just one lady was just about to cross the road. That's why I mistook it. But you can take my number if you want.
If I can take your number, that's just great. It's just
just take my car registration number.
Yeah, go for it.
It's just nothing happened.
It's not that I can see there's nothing physical there, but if something's misaligned now, then I'm just going to be annoyed. That's all.
I totally understand. Man. Yeah, that's all right, man.
All right.
Sorry, man.
No, take care.
Cheers, man.
Genius, all of you. And you. Oh, what is that? Too busy.
It's his holiday.
What's going on there?
I'm not quite sure what's going on there.
Into a casino, Ian. It's like the wondrous adult sights and sounds.
Oh, you colourblind arsehole.
Look at that shiny thing. Isn't it beautiful? It's nice. It's nice. So,
I think
I'm
you're
gonna
red
go.
light.
He has no time to play for a new book, I guess, that I poured heart and soul.
Oh, our professional drivers in Nottingham. On camera, well done. Check your mirrors before you change lanes, dickhead.
I think that helmet would do more good on its head than it would hanging off his arm. And you know, on a scooter on a road, it's asking for trouble anyway.
this 1.1 million has been transferred, so that money can be spent to support people connected with the Nottinghamshire area coalfield, the miners, their communities, the vulnerable people. This money was always for.
Just finally, have any lessons been learned here in terms of no trust?
So we learn lessons from this kind of investigation, but clearly our close working with the Serious Fraud Office is incredibly important, and through that joint partnership we were able to conclude this investigation.
You have mirrors for a reason.
What?
You caught me up. You have mirrors for a reason.
No, we're not.
Well, look next time.
Well, you're over my side of the road, dear.
Bentley. I suppose if you're going to be stuck in traffic, you want to be stuck in something comfortable. That'll be comfy, won't it?
Fire.
Exact same thing. Yep. So I mean that happens from game to game. I think it's just because
Where are you going?
It's a very unique art style here. You know, Dark Souls.
Oh,
is
Mr. Networks
largely
can't be
dark
asked to wait.
Fantasy. You know, that's a.
And neither can Mr. O'Keefe Building Services.
Similar animations.
He just wants to go round me and go up the curb. Nice one, mate.
I think that's the problem.
Yeah, the boss setup. I'm looking at the boss setup comparison. I think.
Wow, what an idiot.
And totally blind.